Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. Today's job lead is data entry non-phone. It is anywhere in the United States and it is paying $18 an hour. So if that is what you are looking for, hang tight. We will get into all the details, but real quickly, I just want to say, if you are new here, this channel is all about searching the internet and looking for the best work from home jobs available, and we bring them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and as always, the links to put applications into all the jobs I discuss are in the description box below. Today's job lead comes from the company Ashton Carter. Now, Ashton Carter is like a staffing agency, but never fear staffing agencies. As a hiring manager in my full-time job, I do want to say that a lot of companies end up taking people that they get from staffing agencies and turning them into permanent full-time workers for the actual company. So at some point, whatever company Ashton Carter is contracting this out to will either have the project end and that be the end of it, or they'll hire a person on full-time permanent and you'll no longer work for Ashton Carter. You'll work for the actual company itself. Now, a reason that a lot of companies do this is because if you go ahead and hire someone permanent on with your company, and if they're not doing well, if they can't catch on and do the job and it's just not working out, you have all these processes you have to go through before you can actually fire someone. There's company policies like you have to have verbal written warnings, you have to have meetings with HR, you have to put them on a plan to improve. Sometimes it takes a long time in the United States to actually be able to get to that point when someone's not working out to fire them. So a lot of companies, instead of having to go through all that, will hire temp through staffing agencies, and that way they get the trial run to see if you work out. So a lot of these positions do turn into permanent full-time positions long term. So I just wanted to make note of that. Never ever fear jobs from staffing agencies. But with that being said, for this position, they're looking for someone to perform data validation operation functions such as select and save on internal user interface systems. You'll use Excel sheets daily to effectively review data and use the filter functions and update activity status. And so example of a day-to-day is you work through Excel and the internal CRM system. You acquire data from work orders and then you transfer the data to Excel and copy and paste the data into the internal systems. Now, this position is remote anywhere within the United States, but they are looking for someone to work in the Pacific time zone from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So if you are not already in the Pacific time zone, you need to convert those hours to your time zone to see if that would work for you. They do not require any college degree, only a high school diploma or GED, and 1 year is preferred experience in data entry, but not required. They do need someone who can work as a team or independently, someone who has strong keyboarding skills on the computer, strong data entry skills, someone who's a motivated self-starter, and they would like someone who has experience working with Microsoft Excel. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.